What's up, my fellow creators? Ever dreamed of becoming a viral video sensation, but the thought of filming sends shivers down your spine? Well, buckle up because I'm about to blow your mind. Today, we're cracking the code of viral content with a secret weapon called Pictory, the AI video creation software that turns couch potatoes into overnight stars. Yeah, trust me, I get it. I'm more of a Netflix and chill kind of person than a director and film crew kind of person. But with Pictory, those awkward close-ups and shaky camera zooms are a thing of the past. All you need is a killer idea, a little typing magic, and boom, you've got a pro-looking video ready to dominate the algorithm. Demo time. Okay, let's dive into the sauce. Imagine this. You're obsessed with cat memes, right? Picture this. Fluffy felines doing parkour, singing opera, and winning Oscars, all powered by Pictory's mind-blowing library of stock footage, music, and animations. You simply drag and drop these bad boys into your video timeline, sprinkle in some witty text, and let the AI work its magic. It's like having a personal Spielberg in your pocket. But wait, there's more. Pictory ain't just for cat enthusiasts. This bad boy can handle any topic, from cooking tutorials to historical documentaries. Heck, I even made a video about the mating habits of sandworms last week. Don't ask. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your weird and wonderful imagination. Now, why am I gushing about Pictory like a lovesick teenager? Because it's the answer to my, and maybe your, video creation prayers. No more camera shyness, no more editing headaches, just pure, unadulterated content creation bliss. So if you're ready to ditch the tripod, grab your keyboard and unleash your inner viral beast. Explore Pictory right now and start your free trial by clicking the link in the description. Remember, you were here when the Pictory revolution began. Now go forth, my friends, and spread the word. Share this video with your friends, family, pets, and even that weird plant in your living room. Help us make Pictory the next big thing in video creation. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another epic video from yours truly. Until next time, peace out, and keep those creative juices flowing.